What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are featuring, first off, we got our nail couture, whatever, tapered coffin, soft gel extensions in the house. You already know you can follow at King of Nail on Insta, Max Estrada. We also have our beautiful, wonderful, amazing Nail Reserve LA, Dare to Shine, and I believe that was White Addict, which, you guys, I could not find White Addict on the website after I ordered this. So I think they have like White Reserve, White Addict. They have a few different whites, so neither here nor there. If you can't find that one, just look for a white on the website. As you guys know, you can always save 50% off of your Nail Reserve LA with my discount code, which okay, that one is Goddess Nails. So sometimes I have them written down. I should move that sticky over here so that I can see it. I always look all the way over there every time for it. But anyways, so we are going in this set. Honestly, it's not exactly what I had in mind because I almost really wanted to do this on stiletto nails, the 5XL stiletto pumps, but I only had one set of those left and I used them for something else. I have to order more. So I was like, well, I guess I can compromise and just go ahead and use the taper coffin because it's a fair length and it's giving sexy. Like this length and this shape always gives sexy. So I went for it and I really loved it. So I just thought like I just wanted like kind of something that looked like a winter wonderland. Not really, y'all. Something that looked kind of like just white and silver. That's all I wanted on this set, was something white and silver. So if I remember, I'm going to drop a clip of the nails in the beginning of the video so you guys can see the end result so you know what I'm talking about. But after we go in with this, then we're going to go in with our Dare to Shine and we're just going to put it over the top of this. And like this nail set was so quick and easy to make. Like the longest part was the end where I did the bling, which I always hate filming bling nails even though they're my favorite. I always just feel like, who wants to sit there and watch me glue rhinestones onto my nails? Like, boring. But spoiler alert, that's on this video and it's going to be on one of the future videos. I might give you guys a sneak peek. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek because I love you guys so much. Plus, you probably won't even barely be able to see these. But this, oh, I know you can't see them that much. It's okay. However, they're basically all blinged out. I wouldn't necessarily call them quote unquote junk nails. Two of them I guess you could, but the other ones you guys will see. But again, another super easy, fast design. So there's not really a lot to say about this set. I mean, what I can say is that I had a hard time with the stones because I wanted just silver. But I really wanted a lot of silver stones and I didn't have as many as I thought I did, or at least I couldn't find them right away. So I kind of went like a little easier on the bling than I had envisioned, but you guys will see. We are using our glitz accessories and such eye hole gel, which they probably have a new version of this by now. They're always revolutionizing their business, but I love that. And you guys, that came in a mystery box from Glitz Accessories and such, and I'm super excited to let you guys know that Glitz Accessories and such will be featured in our giveaway. That means that you, if you already registered to participate, that is, you will have the opportunity to win a mystery box from Glitz Accessories and such. And you guys, there's two options. Well, there's a few options actually, and they have way more mystery boxes than they used to have before. But they have the traditional mystery box. They have the 420 mystery bag. They have the boxes set up now where they have one that's for gel, one for acrylic, so on and so forth. So you guys, it's lit. Okay, go over to my blog site, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. If you are not an elite Goddess Gang member, but you would like to participate in my giveaway, please DM me on Instagram at Scorpion Goddess Nails, because I'm going to be giving away a few of those memberships so that we can meet we need to have at least 11 entrants, because even if we only have 11, there's going to be 7 to 11 winners, which we've already established there's going to be 11 winners. So even if we only have 11 people, all you guys will win prizes, and that's fine, because that's more than enough to me for us to have like a little network that's worth working. Okay, so that's my goal. If you guys have seen my previous uploads, if you haven't, because I'm uploading this one before I upload those ones, then just wait until you see those ones, because yeah. Now you guys, I literally have been filming nonstop, and like some of them are for the future. So I feel like I tell you guys stuff and I'm like, oh crap, I gotta upload that one first. And then I'm like, oh shoot, I gotta upload this one first. I gotta upload this one because I need No Reserve LA to have some love from me on my channel, or whatever it is, a part of being a brand ambassador with them. And they are literally one of my favorite brands to collab with, like Madam Glam, No Reserve, Rosalind, Savulin. Oh my gosh, every time Savulin reach out, and Model Ones, I love them. And then who else do I collab with that I really enjoy? I have slacked hard on my Maniology collaboration. I feel horrible. I don't even want to talk about it. That's how bad I feel. But feeling my feelings or whatever, I went to Target and I saw this and I was like, aw. And then I was like, yeah, I'm feeling my feelings. What you thought? Anyways, Maniology, I'm gonna be doing some stamping sets soon. I think I'm just gonna like sit with you guys and just do stamping and have like a little, I'll probably actually, for one of the first times I have done, have I ever? No, I have never done a face cam while I work. So I think that when I do Maniology, I'm gonna do a live face cam while I work, and I'm gonna let you guys see the struggle in real life. Maniology is not the first brand that has reached out to me and asked for like me to use stamping plates. 𝑏𝑃ℎ𝑎𝑛𝑜 did too. Now Maniology's products versus 𝑏𝑃ℎ𝑎𝑛𝑜 products, big difference in the quality. Maniology products actually work well, as I'm sure you could suspect. The 𝑏𝑃ℎ𝑎𝑛𝑜 ones, no, just no. I'm not even gonna cap, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, just no. It was like, okay, let me show y'all real quick. I'm just going to show you simple examples. So like this is the Maniology, oh, well, let me show you. Hold on. This is, okay. This is a Maniology plate, right? And you see they put it onto that little like plastic part or whatever, which I think is like, obviously it's a little extra, but it's legit. And it's like, I can take pride, you know? Well, and then we get to these ones, and these are the 𝑏𝑃ℎ𝑎𝑛𝑜 ones, and they're just like literally like this. And it's just like, I get it. It's very minimalistic, which I am a minimalistic girl, but there's just those small differences. Now that's not even to include the quality of the actual stamping polish. Like, you guys can go back and see my video where I reviewed the kit that they sent me, 𝑏𝑃ℎ𝑎𝑛𝑜, but the opacity of the stamping polish, the plates were cool, the colors were cool when I swatched them, but they were very translucent when you stamped them, and it's like you couldn't really do anything. I don't feel like that about these and about the Maniology ones, so I'm going to be using them. It's just that I think I have like, I don't have a lot of patience, and I don't like messes. And like, I feel like with stamping, you have to be patient and you have to not mind cleaning up a mess. And it's just like, no, I hate it. Nah. So that's why if Maniology ever sees this, I'm so sorry. But literally, it's been there. I bought the little book for my plates and everything so they could be organized, which feels much better, like being able to flip through and stuff. I don't like it's not a deck of cards, like it's stamping plates. So that got situated. Now I just have to use them. So you guys are going to be seeing that soon. And if you don't see it soon, can you guys please comment and be like, where is the Maniology video? I really love you guys. So I need you guys to hold me accountable, because I'm only doing this part-time right now, but I can guarantee in the next 6 to 9 months, you know what I'm saying? This will be way more full-time. It's already more full-time. I am managing to do something this year that I couldn't do last year. Last year when I had to work my job that I work, like I had to work multiple jobs because I always work a lot of jobs, right? I couldn't really keep up with the workload of YouTube. And like these days, I'm still not on my top rank-ish, you know? But I'm really doing good and I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I want you to tell you, like, hold me accountable. If I don't do what I say something to me. I know we live in a world where people don't like accountability. They don't want no one talking to them, telling them about themselves. I'm not like that. I love to be held accountable. I love to, like, if you see me slacking, say that. Be like, sis, I noticed you was slacking. And I have had some of you guys who reach out to me sometimes until y'all realize, like, this girl, she just antisocial as hell. But I do have some of you guys reach out to me like, are you okay? How are you? I miss you. And I love that. Just a little transparent moment. I have actually been trying to build up the courage to talk more about my mental state, because I am learning how to cope and I'm learning how to, like, I'm growing, I'm evolving. I told you guys, hold on. Do you see this? It's driving me crazy. So hold on. I told you guys that, what did I tell you guys? I don't know what I told you guys. I don't even know. But a year ago, I wasn't where I am today, and I'm very happy. So a lot of you guys, well, any of my OG subscribers, you probably already know that I do have borderline personality disorder. And I have suffered forever. And it was not until about a year and a half, 2 years ago that I discovered what my problem was. And that was very freeing for me. However, that was only the beginning of the process. And so over this last year and a half, I have been like, on myself, like, okay, this is what the tendency is. This is the reason behind it. This is what you got to do to resolve it. And this is the action you got to take. And not only that, but also when I fall short, being like, sis, you got to calm down. You fell short, but what are you going to do about it? So, I'm finally getting to the point where I'm starting to feel a little more comfortable talking to people about it. And so you guys know that sometimes when I'm not active, it's because I'm like, I don't want to say it's like an episode, but for lack of better words or for layman's terms, it's probably an episode. Fun story. So you guys don't judge me, but I'm not really like a Valentine's Day girl. It's just like a couple of times there have been good Valentine's Days where I was like, oh my God, I feel so loved. But for the most part, not really. Well, my dad came back into my life this year and I wanted him to be my Valentine, because what girl doesn't want their dad to be their Valentine? But he's boring. So no. But yeah. So speaking of episodes, I kind of had this like, so I don't know if you guys know about borderline personality disorder, and I cannot tell you guys a lot here because the video is about to end in a minute, but you basically will have like, you will internalize things and externalize things in like extremes. So like a little fight with me can turn into like a huge fight, or like a little love from me can turn into like a lot of love. I don't really know how to explain everything, but there are things that you do to cope. Like you might spend belligerently. You might be overly sexually active belligerently. You might eat belligerently. You might work too much. Like I like to work way too much to kind of like drown everything out. So those are the, like, basically when I have those periods, I'm not very active. I'm not very social, and it just drives me crazy, honestly. And that's why this is kind of like my cry for help. Like, if y'all love me, can y'all just be like, hey sis, we need you to, like that, right? But I'll talk to you guys about that more later. This video is almost about to end, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I cut the thumb off on all the clips because my beautiful, magnificent, amazing self decided to actually film in vertical mode for like a reel or something. I feel like, girl, you doing the damn thing. Like, come on, no excuses, right? So that's how they turned out. The thumb, one of the crystals is a little bit too, like, you know what I'm saying? But I really just love this set. Would you guys wear these nails? Like, do you even like them? What do you think? Because I low-key am like so obsessed. I don't know what I was doing when it came to the design, honestly. I just went with it and it worked out well. But I would love to know what you guys think about these, if you would wear them, and like honestly, what do they make you feel? They just make me feel like the devil wears Prada. Anyways, I love you guys so much. The video is about to end, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one. And I need you guys to go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload. Until next time, holla. Peace.